Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run a marathon for beginners. First, prioritize your health by getting a medical checkup to confirm you are ready for the challenge. Then, begin your training journey by slowly building up your mileage over a period of at least 16 to 20 weeks. Remember, consistency is key, so aim for regular runs. Also, make sure you have the right gear, especially comfortable running shoes, to prevent injuries and enhance your experience. A well-structured training plan is crucial for success. Your schedule should include a mix of long runs, speed work, and essential rest days. Gradually increase your weekly mileage, but never by more than 10% to avoid overtraining. Don't forget to add cross-training activities, such as swimming or cycling, to build overall fitness and prevent burnout. Practicing your desired race pace during training will also help you feel confident on race day. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital for marathon training. Focus on a balanced diet with ample carbohydrates for energy, sufficient protein for muscle repair, and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water daily and consider electrolyte drinks during longer runs. During your long training sessions, experiment with different energy gels or choose to find what works best for you. On race day, a pre-race meal of easily digestible carbohydrates will provide sustained energy. On race day, remember to start at a comfortable, conservative pace. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to adjust your speed if necessary. Utilize the aid stations for hydration and fuel, taking small sips and bites. After crossing the finish line, focus on recovery. Gentle walking, stretching, and proper nutrition will help your body recuperate. Celebrate your accomplishment and enjoy the well-deserved rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.